Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Just tell me in the chat section. How are you all? Very good morning to everyone. Yes. Let me see who all are present. Let me just see who all are present. Yes. Very good morning to everyone. Very good morning. Alright, I welcome you all to Unacademy, India's largest education platform. Good morning, Artri. Good morning. Alright, this is your English platform. Let's crack NEET UG in English. Alright, yes, let me introduce myself. I am Nitesh Devnani. I have 5 plus years of teaching experience in chemistry and I have taught over 2000 plus students. I have taught over 2000 plus students who have got some great marks in your chemistry NEET examination. All right. Yes. So this is let me tell you about the what all benefits you'll be getting when you will buy the subscription plan. All right. Good morning, Shiny. Good morning. First of all, you need to download this Unacademy learning app. Just download this Unacademy learning app. All right. Yes, there are two types of subscription. First is your plus subscription, in which you have daily live classes, you have live tests as well as quizzes. There are structured courses and you will be given unlimited access. There would be unlimited access in your plus subscription. Now another type of subscription is your iconic subscription. Iconic subscription, you will be getting all the benefits of plus. First of all, you will be getting all the benefits of plus. Secondly, you will be given a personal coach. Alright, you will have your test analysis as well as a study planner would also be given. Many students need a personal coach and a personal guide in their journey. So all those things are available in your iconic subscription. Okay. So see, in the plus subscription, you have India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDF, and live tests and quizzes. Alright. In the iconic subscription, you have all these things as well as you'll be given a personal coach, you'll have a study planner, you'll have a experts guidelines, and you'll also have a test analysis. All these are in iconic subscription. Okay. See, there are free live classes also. You just need to download the Unacademy learning app. Just download the Unacademy learning app in order to access those free classes also. All right. So these are some of the top educators on our platform. Let me tell you about the pricing. Whenever you plan to buy the subscription, you need to apply the code Nitesh YT. Just apply the code Nitesh YT. Alright. For the iconic subscription, you'll be getting 6-month course, you'll be getting at 34,200 rupees. 12-month course you'll be getting at 58,500 rupees, and 24-month course you'll be getting at 90,000 rupees. Alright, all these are in your iconic subscription. The next type of subscription is plus subscription. Again, you need to apply this code Nitesh YT. Alright, you will be given an additional 10% off. Now if you are a dropper or if you are in 12th standard, I would recommend you to go for 12-month course, which you will be getting at 34,650 rupees, and 24-month course will be getting at 50,400 rupees. All right, all these are in your plus subscription. Pricing of your plus subscription. Just apply the code Nitesh YT. All right. Yes. See, as I've told you, these are some of the benefits of your plus subscription: daily live classes, live test and quizzes, structured courses, as well as unlimited access also you'll be given. Alright. Yes, so today we are going to practice questions from your hydrocarbons, as well as I will complete your alkynes chapter also. Yes. Very good morning, Artri, Shiny, Kalai, Keshav. Happy Diwali to in advance and to all of you. Happy Diwali, guys. Happy Diwali in advance to all of you. Yes. All right. All right. All right. Let us start our lecture. let us start our lecture. Let us first complete alkynes, and then we will move on to our some practice. I'll give you. Good morning, Nishtha. Good morning. All right. Yes, let us start. Let us start. Yes. So in a previous organic chemistry class, we have covered preparation of alkynes. Correct? How can we prepare alkynes? I've shown you two methods. Correct? Now I am going to show you chemical properties. Now I am going to we are going to study chemical properties. Chemical properties of alkynes. Chemical properties of alkynes. We are going to study chemical properties of alkynes. All right? Yes. Let us start our chemical properties of alkynes. The first property is, good morning Richu, good morning. The first property is acidic character. Acidic character. Now just see. Terminal alkynes are acidic in nature. Terminal alkynes are acidic in nature. How? See, what are terminal alkynes? Your terminal alkynes are like this. This is your, see, this hydrogen is what? Acidic in nature. Similarly, this hydrogen is what? Acidic in nature. Alright, why it is acidic in nature? Because the hybridization of this carbon is what? Sp. Hybridization of this carbon is what? Sp. So, these two hydrogens are attached with sp hybridized carbon. So sp hybridized carbon are highly electronegative. So they are what? Acidic in nature. Correct? More such type of your questions. Your terminal alkynes: CH3, C triple bond, CH. This is also what? This is also what? Acidic. Correct? Tell me, this is also acidic, na? Why? Because this hybridization is sp. Correct? Now tell me whether this compound, this one, does it have any acidic hydrogen? Does it have any acidic hydrogen? Tell me in the chat section. Does it have any acidic hydrogen? Answer is no. Because here the hydrogen, these hydrogens are attached with sp3 hybridized carbon. No. The carbon should be attached with sp hybridized. Then only it is what? Acidic in nature. Correct? Alright. So this is about your acidic nature of your alkynes. So your alkynes are acidic in nature. Terminal alkynes are acidic in nature. Okay. Now see, second property is addition. Second property is addition reactions. Second property is addition reaction. First is your, you guys know these type of reactions because we have studied these type of reactions in our alkanes and alkynes. See, addition of hydrogen. Suppose this is your alkyne. And you add hydrogen over it in presence of your nickel, platinum or palladium. Correct? First it is converted into what? First it is converted into alkene. Correct? And then again on passing H2 you convert it into alkanes. Right? So how many, just one second. Yes, definitely Niranjan, definitely you can. Yes. Alright. See, how, so from your alkenes you can convert it into alkanes. How many molecules of H2 you would be needing? 2 molecules. One to convert it into alkene and then it to convert it into alkanes. So basically what are you doing? You are just adding hydrogen on alkynes. So this is type of what? Addition reactions. Now tell me, what are these? These nickel, platinum and palladium. How are they acting? They are acting as what? Catalyst. They are acting as what? Catalyst. Correct? Alright. Is this thing clear, guys? These are acting as what? Catalyst. Yes. Yes. Alright. Second is addition of halogens. Addition of halogens. Your X2. Suppose your F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Your addition of halogens. Suppose you have your alkynes. Alright. And you pass, suppose Br2 over it. What will happen? We have studied in your alkenes also. What will happen? Br2 is added like this. Correct? Now again, suppose again you pass Br2 over it. Now there is one more pi bond here, na? So one more your Br2 can be added. So what is your answer? CH3, C, here Br, here Br, CH, here Br, here Br. Correct? Correct? We have studied these type of reactions in alkenes. Now tell me, what is the color of your bromine gas? What is the color of your bromine gas? Tell me, what is the color of your bromine gas? Color of your bromine gas is what? Brown color. Now brown color. Yes, yes, Nishta. Yes, yes. Yes, very good. Very good. Shiny, Keshav, Rahul, Richu. Fantastic. It is brown color gas. So see. Great, color. Great. This is also known as test of unsaturation. Why this is known as test of unsaturation? See, you have your any compound here. You have your compound here. Now you do not know there is a pi bond present here. Alright, and you pass bromine gas over it. Now if bromine gas disappears, means the brown color gas disappears. Alright, so if the brown color gas disappears, we are able to understand that our compound contains pi bond. This means it contains unsaturation. Alright, are you getting my point? So this is known as test of unsaturation. Yes, Artery, remember this color. Br2 is what? Brown color gas. Alright. Is this thing clear? Test of unsaturation clear to each and everyone? Test of unsaturation thing clear? Alright. Yes, fantastic. Yes, we have seen this in alkenes also. If you guys remember, we have seen this in alkenes also. Yes. Now see, your third type of reactions is addition of hydrogen halide. Addition of hydrogen halide. Alright, this is your third type of reaction. Suppose, now you need to give me answers. I will ask you. Now we have studied hydrocarbons a lot, and now you need to understand what is the mechanism. You need to tell me. Suppose hydrogen halide, suppose we are adding HCl. Suppose we are adding HCl. So first tell me whether this H plus would attack first or this Cl minus would attack first. Whether this H plus would attack first or whether this Cl minus would attack first. Tell me in the chat section. This H plus would attack. Correct? This H plus is what? Electrophile. So this is what? Electrophilic. Electrophilic addition reaction. The first attack would be of what? Electrophile. Correct? Yes. Now tell me CH3, C triple bond CH. H plus attacks over it. Now there are two cases. Either the carbocation which is going to be formed, your carbocation can be this, or your carbocation can be this. Yes, this is your first, this is your second. Which carbocation is more stable? Tell me in the chat section. Which carbocation is more stable? Tell me in the chat section which carbocation is more stable. Which one? First is more stable. Yes, because here CH3 is giving you plus I effect. Here there is no plus I effect such. So first is more stable. So this is not. This is more stable. First is more stable. Alright, first is more stable. Now what is the second step? Now you have your more stable carbocation. You have your more stable carbocation. Correct? Now your Cl minus attacks over it and product formed is CH3CCl double bond CH2. Correct? Now see, now in the second, this was your second step. Now in the third step, CH3CCl double bond CH2. Now your again HCl, there are a lot of molecules of HCl. Now again HCl would attack, means now again H plus would attack. Now again there are two ways. Alright, CH3, CCl, CH3 positive, either this carbocation is formed or your this carbocation is formed. Now tell me which one would be formed. Now tell me which one would be formed. Which one is formed? This is your first, this is your second. Which one is formed? Yes, again first is formed, second is not formed. This is more stable. Why? Because there is plus H of here also, as well as your chlorine is also showing resonance. Yes, so first is more stable. Very good, very good. Now fourth step would be what? CH3 C positive, Cl CH3, and then attack of your chlorine negative. So CH3 C Cl Cl CH3. Correct? Are you able to understand? Hello Amisha, are you able to understand this? Are you able to understand this? All right. Hello solo guy, hello. Yes, so directly you guys can do it. All right, now we don't need to write the complete mechanism every time. All right, you guys can do directly like this. C triple bond CH plus your HCl is added, suppose. So just add two molecules of HCl on this alkyne, and both your chlorine would be on the same carbon. See, your product was this, na? Both your chlorine would be on the same carbon. All right, you don't need to do again and again that the complete mechanism. All right, is this thing clear, guys? All right, yes. So this was about your addition of a hydrogen halide. Now you guys can understand things. You have a better understanding of your hydrocarbons. Now you guys are able to think what is the mechanism, which one will attack first, right? So things take time, but yes, slowly and gradually you guys would be able to understand each and everything. Okay? All right. Fourth reaction. Alright, fourth reaction is addition of water on alkynes. Addition of water on alkynes. Now you are adding water on your alkynes. Alright, okay, let us see this. Suppose you have your alkyne and you are trying to add water over it. Now this water addition is in presence of Hg plus 2 and some acidic conditions. Alright, this water addition is in presence of some your Hg plus 2 and acidic conditions. So now water is what? Water is basically H and OH. Water is basically what? H and OH. Now see what is formed. This is formed CH2 double bond C. Here it is OH and here it is H. This is being formed. This is being formed. Now see, water is being added. Water is added. Now tell me what is the type of compound this? This compound is what? This one. Tell me. This is your double bond, means this is ene, and this is what? Alcohol. So this is enol. Do you remember enol? Tell me in the chat section. Do you remember it? Right? Enol, yes. So this will now tautomerize. This will now tautomerize to form a what? Enol is converted into what? Ketone, right? So CH3C double bond OH. Ketone or aldehyde, like a carbonyl group. Alright? Like a carbonyl group. Alright? It is alcohol as well as your double bond. So enol. Alright? Now this type of addition is what? Nucleophilic addition. This type of addition is what? A nucleophilic addition. Alright? Just remember this in your previous example. Addition of hydrogen halide HX. Addition was electrophilic addition. Your addition of water in presence of Hg plus 2. It is what? A nucleophilic addition. It is what? Nucleophilic addition. Alright? Is this thing clear? See, one more example of this. Suppose you have your CH3C triple bond CH and you add water over it. Water is HOH in presence of Hg plus 2 and H plus. What will happen? Your water is added. Water is added on your alkynes. What is the product? CH3C OH double bond CH2. Again, this is what? This is what? This is enol. This is enol. Now this would simply tautomerize. This would simply tautomerize to form a what? CH3 C double bond O CH3. Alright. Yes, Richu. That's why it is what? Nucleophilic addition. A nucleophile attacks first. Is this reaction clear? Is this reaction clear? Alright. Tell me in the chat section, guys. Like this video if you are able to understand everything. You see, your alkynes are pretty easy. The most difficult and most interesting were your alkenes. Yes, Ilakya, keto-enol tautomerism involves your aldehyde also. Keto by keto we are referring to carbonyl group C double bond O. By keto we are referring to carbonyl group C double bond O. Alright? Yes. Keto-enol tautomerism doesn't only mean that only ketones will be formed. Aldehydes are also there. Okay? Yes. Another type of reaction is simply what? Your polymerization. Another type of your reaction is simply what? Your polymerization. Okay? So see, polymerization, basically we would like to see its cyclic polymerization. Like cyclic structures are formed from here. Cyclic structures are being formed. Like suppose you have your HC triple bond CH, HC triple bond CH, and HC triple bond CH. Alright, and you pass, basically you have three molecules of this, three molecules of ethine. You have three molecules of what? Ethine, and you pass it over red hot iron tube. Red hot iron tube. You pass it over red hot iron tube. What is formed? See, this type of your cyclic structures are formed. This type of your cyclic structures are formed. These bonds are being opened and they get attached, all the three molecules. Alright, so you have your six carbon ring is formed and your this thing is formed. Alright, a pi bond opens up and every your three molecules are what? Attached. So what is formed? Your benzene is formed. Benzene is being formed. Yes. What is the speciality of benzene? Like do you guys know when was resonance introduced? Do you guys know when was resonance? How was resonance introduced? Yes, it is aromatic. Obviously, yes, it is aromatic. Alright, so your resonance was introduced because of your benzene only. You're not physics resonance, your chemistry resonance. Alright? Yes. Very good. Alright, so this was all about your alkynes. These type of reactions are your alkynes, in your alkynes. Alright? Now see. Now I have some questions for you and you guys need to attempt those questions. Alright? I have some questions for you. You guys need to attempt those questions. Take out your copy and pen. Take out your copy and pen and let us attempt these questions. Alright, let us attempt these questions. Let us attempt these questions. Yes, very rarely. Richu, very rarely. Alright? Yes. Okay, let us start. I'm giving you question. Alright, first question is suppose this is your double bond CH2. Alright, and this is KMNO4 in some your acidic conditions, and what should be the product? Three products are formed, A plus B plus C. Tell me what all products are A, B and C. Tell me. We'll practice some questions so that you guys can revise all those things. Tell me what is A, B and C. Yes, tell me what is A, B and C. Come on everyone. I've told you this is KMNO4 in some acidic conditions. This is very strong oxidizing agent. What it will do? Yes, from here your bond will be broken. Your product formed would be this. Alright, and other product formed is HC double bond your sorry, this is your what, terminal thing, right? So your H2O and CO2 is being formed. Yes, 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 yes. H2O and CO2 is being formed. Now I have told you test also this thing, this particular thing turns lime water milky, correct? Turns lime water milky. And this thing turns anhydrous copper sulfate or anhydrous copper sulfate blue, correct? Yes, I've told you this, correct? Now see, there is one more thing which we need to cover in our first property, which was your acidic property. Just pay attention here. Just pay attention here. This was your acidic property, na? This was your acidic property. One thing we need to cover is, suppose you have your this some reactions I'm telling you. You have your CS3 C triple bond CH. Alright, and suppose this reacts with sodium. Now is this thing acidic? Tell me. This is acidic, na? This hydrogen is what? Acidic. And sodium is what? Your sodium wants to get converted into cation Na plus. So the reaction here is CS3 C triple bond C. This H would go as H plus. So this is minus, this is Na plus is being added, and your hydrogen gas is released. And your hydrogen gas is being released. Alright? Alright? Now one more reaction here only. Let me write here only one more reaction. Pretty easy reactions, right? Okay, let me change this color to red. Yes, see, again a pretty easy reaction. CS3 C triple bond CH, and suppose you are reacting it with NaNH2. NaNH2, sodium Na has plus, NH2 has this minus thing. Alright, what will happen? What will happen? This hydrogen would go as what? Positive ion, and Na plus would be attached. CS3 C triple bond C minus Na plus, and this NH2 minus and H plus would combine to form NH3. Would combine to form NH3. Is this thing clear? Are these two reactions clear to all of you? Are these two reactions clear? Because based on these reactions only, you have your next questions. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Great, Supriya. Great, Richu. Solo guy, Nishtha. Fantastic, fantastic. Alright. So see, now based on that reactions only, you have your this question. You have your this question. Question is Mg2C3 in, if you add water on it, it is converted into A. Then you add sodium. Then you add sodium on it, it is converted into B. And then you add CH3Br, it is converted into C. You need to find C. Find C. Come on, try this. Great Shiny, great Nishta, great Kalai. Yes, tell me. What should be the product? You need to find C. You need to find C. The last product you need to find. You need to find C. Last one. Attempt this. Arey bacha, you need to find C. I'm not asking you for I need the final product. What is C? Yes. Tell me. No answers. You guys aren't practicing questions. Okay, solo guy has given answer. We'll check. We'll check whether it is correct or not. Rest all, give me your answers. Rest all, give me your answers. Okay. Okay. Let me do this for you. First it is Mg2C3 plus H2O. I've explained you this. From here your propine is being formed. Your propine is formed. Alright. This is your A. This is your A. We are not talking about side products or magnesium hydroxide. We are talking about your major organic product. Propine is formed. Now you have your sodium. Just now I have explained you. Just now I have explained you that here this carbon is what? Acidic. Alright, what will be the product? CH3, C triple bond, C negative, Na plus. Correct? And hydrogen gas would be evolved. Correct? Now in this is your B. Basically this is your B. Now in this your CH3Br is attacking. Now see CH3Br. If I try to break bond here CH3 and Br. Now Br is what? Br is what? Highly electronegative. So this would acquire negative charge. This would acquire positive charge. Alright. And we have our here carbon. This carbon is having what? Negative charge. And we are giving here positive charge CH3 plus. So both will combine. Opposite charges attract each other. CH3, C triple bond, C negative. And your CH3 plus would attract and form CH3, C triple bond, C CH3. This is your C product. This is your answer. This is your answer. Yes. Are you all able to understand this? Are you all able to understand this? Is this thing clear? Very good. Solo guy, Richu and Supriya has they have given right answers. Others, are you all able to understand it? Great Nishtha, great Shiny. All clear? One more same type of questions. Don't worry. One more same type of question. This is a previous year question. This is a previous year question. This was asked in your NEET 2016. This was asked in your NEET 2016. All right. Okay. Let me give you this question. You have your HC triple bond CH. Correct. You are passing it. First, you are passing NaNH2 over it, and second, then you are passing CH3 CH2Br. Your X is formed. Alright. Now on this X again you are passing NaNH2 and your CH3 CH2Br. Your Y is formed. Now you need to tell me what is X and Y. X and Y. You need to tell me this. Come on. Try this. This is also easy question based on a similar concept. Attempt this. Attempt this question. Attempt this question, guys. Attempt this question, everyone. You need to tell me what is X and what is Y. Yes, I hope now you are able to do things. Alright, you are able to understand things. You are able to see what is being asked to you. Alright, yes, yes, yes. Everyone do this question, yes. Yes, yes. Just pay attention here. You have your HC triple bond CH. Again, these two hydrogen are what? Acidic in nature. And you pass, first you are passing NaNH2. What will happen? This is plus, this is negative. Your H plus would go and Na plus would be added. HC triple bond C negative Na plus, and your ammonia gas is evolved. Now what happens? Now you have your CH3 CH2 Br. Alright, now if a bond will break, this would be negative, this would be positive. Now this negative and this positive would attach, and your product form would be, this is formed. Yes, this is but1-ine. This is but1-ine. Correct. This is your X. Now on this X, CH3 CH2 C triple bond CH. Again, this is what? Acidic. And you pass NaNH2 over it. What will happen? CH3 CH2 C triple bond C negative Na plus is being formed. Correct. And then again you pass CH3 CH2 Br on it. So again break this bond. This is positive, sorry, this is negative, this is positive. What will be formed? CH3 CH2 C triple bond C CH2 CH3. So yes, this is formed as hex 3-ine. Hex 3-ine. Correct. 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 Alright, so now I hope you would be able to solve these kind of questions. So see, this was asked in your NEET 2016. Alright, so see, this is the way you need to learn. I have just given you one similar type of question here, correct? And then based on it I have given you a previous year question. So now everyone was correct. Very good. Yes. Kalai, Richu, Sologai, Lakya, Rahul, Supriya, Shiny, you all were correct. Very, very good. Very good. Alright. So this is the procedure. First understand what is being asked, and then try some previous year questions and you are able to solve it. Okay. Alright. One more question. One more question. One more question. You have your CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH2, CH3, and you pass HI over it. Your A product is formed, which is your major product. Tell me what is A. Tell me what is A. Okay. Tell me what is A. Tell me what is A. Alright, all these are now you'll feel as if they are easy questions. Alright? Yes. Okay, so you guys need to keep on practicing questions. Keep on practicing questions. Just tell me the name of the compound which is formed, the major which is being asked to you. Just tell me its name and we can understand from it. I need correct answer from you all. Come on everyone, give me your answers. You need to first draw carbocation and see which carbocation is more stable. Tell me whether Markovnikov rule is valid here or not. Okay, let us do together. Tell me first whether Markovnikov rule is valid here or not. Whether Markovnikov rule is valid here or not. No, Markovnikov rule is not valid. Why? Because both have one hydrogen, na? Both have same number of hydrogen. Markovnikov rule was a negative part is added on negative part of the adding molecule goes to that carbon where hydrogen is less. But here both have one hydrogen. So Markovnikov rule is not valid. Alright. Now see. You have your this as your compound. Alright. First attack would be of what? H plus and your carbocation is formed. So you need to see which carbocation is more stable. First carbocation formed is suppose this. This is your first carbocation and suppose this is your second carbocation. Tell me which priority, Nishtha? Which priority you are talking about? No, just simply no priority here. Just simply attack H plus and form carbocation. Now tell me which carbocation is more stable. This is your 1, this is your 2. Which is more stable? Which is more stable? Which is more stable? First one is more stable. This is more stable. Why? Because it has 2 here, 3 here, 5 alpha hydrogen and it has only 4 alpha hydrogen. Alright, so first one is more stable. So now first one is stable, so this is not formed. So we will take major carbocation. And you have your I minus also in your solution. So your product formed is this. Product formed is this. Alright, tell me in the chat section, is this thing clear now? Is this question clear to each and everyone? Alright, this was a good question. It was an easy question, but you need to understand that where you need to attack. You don't need to follow always Markovnikov rule. You need to understand the first form carbocation, more stable carbocation, and then add your I minus. Okay. Yes. All right. Great. One more question. AIPMT 2012 question. Previous year question. All right. Question is, which of the following reagents will be able to distinguish between 1 butene and 2 butene. some of options are given to you. Some options are given to you. A is your NaNH2, B is HCl, C, your third option is ozone, sorry, oxygen, and a D option is what? Br2. Tell me, what should be the answer? Tell me what should be the answer. But 1 is what? This is, and but 2 is what? Yeah, this is butane or 1 butane, and this is 2 butane. Yes. What should be the answer? What should be the answer? You have your options. You have your 4 options. Give me your answer. Your distinguishing means what? One would react with it and other won't react with it. Alright. See, if both reacts with it, if both reacts with the reagent, you cannot distinguish them. If both doesn't react with them, you cannot differentiate them. If one reacts with it and the other one doesn't react, you can differentiate with it. Alright. Now see, this is your what? Acidic in nature. So NaNH2 would react with it, and it has no acidic hydrogen. No, it has no acidic hydrogen. So it won't react. This won't react, this will react. So this means NaNH2 can be used to distinguish it. Alright. HCl, how can we use HCl? No, we cannot use HCl. See, HCl is what? HCl is what? Acidic. It is what? Acidic. Correct. Now see, your butane is what? Acidic. So it will not react with the 1 butane. Okay. Now your 2 butane is not your acidic or basic. It won't react with the 2 butane also. So HCl would not react with both of them. Yes, Nishtha, that's what I am saying. To distinguish, you need to see that it reacts with one and it doesn't react with the other. But your HCl does not react with both. It does not react with both. Your but1 is acidic in nature, and acid and acid won't react. Alright, acid and acid won't react. Alright, yes, if you try to add HCl over it, so it is added on both of your alkynes. Now if you're talking about addition of HCl, it is added on both. So to distinguish things, one should react and the other should not react. Okay. Alright, is this question clear? First would be your answer. First would be your answer. Yes. Okay. Okay. Alright. Any doubt up till now? Any doubt up till now? Okay. Yes. 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 Alright. Great. 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 Just like this video if you are able to understand everything. And right now we are closing this lecture right now only. Alright, you guys need to practice questions. I have given you 4-5 questions. I have made you practice. The other practice you need to do it. Alright, do these questions, practice these questions, and if you have any doubt, you guys can surely ask me. In the next class, you guys can surely ask me. Alright. Alright, so whenever you are planning to buy the subscription plan, just apply the code Nitesh YT. Just apply the code Nitesh YT. You will be given 10% off. You will be given 10% off. just apply the code Nitesh YT. All right. So a very happy Diwali to all of you in advance. All right. So there are yes, Raju will try. Yes. No, no, Nishta, nothing as such. We'll take longer classes also. All right, we'll take longer classes also. All right. Yes. So very happy Diwali to all of you. Enjoy. Take care. And for a couple of days, for 2-3 days, we won't be having any classes. We are having an off. You guys can revise these things. You guys can. If you have any doubt, then you guys can surely ask me after your Diwali breaks. All right. Just revise everything. Revise everything. Revision is important. Revise at least. Revision should be required at least 4 to 5 times. Revise things at least 4 to 5 times. All right. All right. Great. I will see you in the next class after the Diwali breaks. All right. Have a great day and have a safe Diwali. All right. Take care. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Bye bye. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Yes, Rahul will surely conduct. A homolysis means when your free radicals are being formed. Alright, homolysis means when your free radicals are being formed. When there is no electronegativity difference, your homolysis occurs. I've covered this in our lectures, in our GOC lectures. Alright, just type electrophiles and nucleophiles Nitesh Devnani. You will find a video. Okay? Alright, I will see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day. Have a great day.